Hello, I would like to show you two technology tools today that will help with us transition to distance learning. One is Screenomatic and the second one is Nearpod. So Screenomatic is something I have used to post videos, presentations in my master's programs. I have used it here a couple weeks ago and demonstrated an SLO and put it on the platform. So Screenomatic is pretty cool. Here's the login. You can log in, create an account, and what will happen is you can capture screenshots or launch a recorder, and it'll have you download onto your computer. For example, I did last spring. I was on a computer that wasn't the very best computer for my school, but I did a video and I posted it onto Google Classroom. Yeah. So here's just an example. And I use Nearpod, and I'll show you that after this. Yeah. So now Nearpod, you just go to nearpod.com. You can create a free account and try it out. I have used it in my in-services. The neat thing about Nearpod is they are now, so if we're doing synchronous learning, which is what you guys are doing right now and Zooming in with kids, you can have live lessons, live direct lessons with your kids, live interactive lessons, and then have data for you guys. For example, when we did our special ed presentation, I was able to look at all the data that you guys put down and provided as I had questions during that presentation. Nearpod is really cool because it has a good library, K through high school, K through 12, English, math, science, social studies, technology. For example, science, if you were a science teacher, you could do this lesson and link it to your Google Classroom. You would have to add it to your library first. Kindergarten, there's just a lot of cool materials on Nearpod. So it's just a suggestion. I would recommend looking into it to help transition into distance learning. Third thing I would like to show you is Zoom. We've been doing Zoom. I think we've been doing it pretty good. I just want to remind you guys that you can create a reoccurring meeting. To do that, you schedule a meeting, create, for example, history, whatever time your history class is, or science class. You can set it for an hour, and then you can click reoccurring until the end of our distance learning for a week. So this is just a reminder that you can do that and hit save. So thank you for listening. Please, I would really suggest looking into Screenomatic as well as Nearpod to help us venture into distance learning. Nearpod is just a great educational tool to integrate technology into our instruction. Thank you.